Guys, before starting, let's utilize the time. I have a few polls for you guys to answer for us. Okay, so this will help us better understand the audience and type of people are attending here on the webinar. So it's basically a very basic question, and I hope like maximum will answer on the same side. So here is a question for you. I'm launching it on your screen, so you need to fill that answer, and then we'll proceed for the webinar. So guys, I've launched the question, so I'll wait for you guys to just answer that. So I'll do share results with you. Wow. So I want like 100% of the people should answer this. I can see only 66% people have voted yet. So again, it's growing. Yeah, please go ahead. Guys, you need not to type in the Q&A side. You just need to fill out on the radio mark. We are still waiting for other 10% people to answer this. Guys, if you're not sure about like yes or no, you can type, you can just choose the yes option, because we'll make sure like you enter the cloud market, because it's the booming time here in India and across the globe. Many people are asking like how many participants are there in the webinar. So I guess it's open for everyone to see that, but if not in that case, so I can see like 501 participants are here, and it's like including the organizers. So we are expecting more to come now. Okay guys, I'm closing the poll now and we'll be sharing the results in a moment. Okay, the poll is closed and here is the result on your screen. So I can see like 89% of the people really want to enter into a cloud market, and this is amazing, because we guys are working hard to bring you and enabling you to sell the cloud services. Okay guys, we are on time and let's start on with the presentation, because just a sec, I'm just managing my screen over here. Okay guys, it's a plus one partner deep dive to succeed in cloud. So welcome to the webinar everyone. So we have Harish Patel and Suchit with us. Harish Patel, CTO, Chief Technical Officer, is a tech professional who is the backbone for a dev team here at ZNet. Suchit, he's a business development and partnership expert who is really a real rainmaker at ZNet. So I'm just welcoming both of them. Welcome Suchit, welcome Harish. Just a sec, I need to unmute you guys. Hi, welcome Harish.
Yeah, thanks.
Well,
Thanks, Danish.
thank you. Welcome Suchit, welcome to the webinar. Suchit, are you there? Suchit, are you there?
Yes, hi Danish, how are you? First things first, thank you very much for all to join this webinar. This webinar is our fourth in the cloud series over the last 2-3 months, and we have received some tremendous support from all the Indian IT community that we have. Thank you very much for joining.
Thank you, Suchit. Thanks for the grace words. Thank you. So guys, let's proceed further and work on the real stuff. Okay, so let's start like every time we speak on the same note, like how big is a cloud an opportunity for everyone. Everyone knows about this, but again, for the new people and the newcomers, those who have joined on this webinar, so how big in cloud exist in the cloud market actually? So again, it's a very big business out there across the globe, and if I talk about, like, it's 100 billion opportunity awaits for you in the cloud, which is something 23 billion was there in India specifically in 2015, and expecting to be 40.7 billion, which is awesome, here only in India. Here only in India, I'm specifying again. So again, you guys need to just take a plunge onto it and start working around it. The fast growing cloud market in India is expected cloud growth rate in India from 2015 to 2018 is 25%, right? So which is again an very huge opportunity for everyone and all of us. So again, I'll not take much of your time because I have experts on the webinar this time, and they'll be helping you out on the particular niche. So sell solutions, not products, solutions that are future ready. So guys, you need to focus on selling the solutions, not the products actually, because solutions is a market where you need to tap in. Product is something like people are building, and you need to uh, add some toppings on it and create a solution for it. So generally the question comes from many of the attendees and many of the partners, like how to start selling a cloud, because it's very new, people don't know about the things, and again, yeah, it's technically complex these days, but we are trying to make it simple for every one of you. So for this we have plus one partner program for you, which is just a one step ahead to take you on the cloud market. Basically, the Plus One Partner Program is a great way for you to tap the cloud opportunity and sell products that are in demand. Make a great recurring revenue with a complete marketing, sales, and technical support by ZNet Live. So again, we have many things across for you. So we'll take one by one. So next is what you get as a ZNet Live Plus One Partner Program. So here are the few key things which you get while joining a Plus One Partner Program. First one is an automation, which I consider as a backbone for any business. Support, marketing, and pre-sales. So I'll take a very little overview about the automation. So again, automation is very much, you can say, mandatory these days, because hiring people and making them work is something very tedious and a very not a cost optimization method. So automating the things is something an alternate to this. So we believe in automation within our organization, and we have decided to pass this automation tool to you guys as well for selling the cloud. So this is an automation tool which we give you guys, okay, where you can sell across all the cloud services, like anything. It could be an Amazon Web Services, it could be a Windows Azure services, Office 365, Google Apps, or any hosting product or a domain name or anything. So this module, this particular giant software is divided into 6 and 7 sections. Okay, first one is sales and marketing. We don't be so curious, because we have Harish who will be giving us a live demonstration over here. I can see many questions coming in for the same. Okay, so we have sales and marketing, billing and pricing, support and CRM, partner channels where you can further create partners, marketplace, business analytics or intelligence, inventory and assets, then a customer control panel, which means like you will be getting all these 6 modules with addition of customer control panel, where you will be able to pass a control panel to your customers. right? So it works with an end user while working as a +1 partner channel partner with us here at ZNet. So guys, we have a live demo for you. Okay, I'll not take much of your time and pass this presentation to Harish so that he can guide us thoroughly, like how to join +1 partner program, because many people ask for the same. Okay, and how to basically proceed with it, many things. Just a hold, guy. Sorry guys, sorry for the hold. I guess there was a problem with the webinar tool. So I guess people was unable to see my screen over here. So again, just a quick rewind back for you guys to check on with my presentation. I'm sorry for this. So again, start from again. We have like big opportunity here for you, cloud. Okay, so India is a big market for you guys. Again, the growth for is something around 25%. So a crux of it is sell solutions, not the products. How to start selling the cloud. To get enabled to start selling cloud, join the +1 partner program. But what you get as a ZNet Live +1 partner program. Okay, here are the 4 things, and first one is automation, which I've already talked about. So automation, we have a tool for you guys with an automation which covers sales and marketing, billing and pricing, support, partnership, marketplace, business intelligence, inventory, and a customer control panel where your customer gets its own control panel to manage services and manage the support tickets. So let's move to a live demonstration. Okay, so we have Harish here for the live demonstration. Over to you, Harish. I'm passing the Okay, I'm passing an access to you, Harish. So over to your screen now. Yeah, Harish.
Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you, Harish. Please go
Yeah,
ahead.
thanks, Danish. Yeah, thanks, Danish. So, welcome to all. So, let's start with the live demonstration of +1 partner. So, first you need to register yourself on znetlive.com. Okay. So, this is the znetlive.com website. Here you can join. For joining, you need to fill this form. It's a very basic form. After sign up, you will get login credentials in next 12 to 24 hours with your admin panel login details, your customer panel login details, and your white label website. So let's start with your admin control panel. So before using this, you need to do some small settings to make your this RACNAP workable for you and for your partner. So this is the admin login screen. So I will logged in with one partner account. So this is your admin login panel. So you need to do some small settings like your company branding setting. from here, company name, your default email ID, system URL link, especially your logo link, your contact details and all, your support signature. Okay, so this is your member panel URL link, admin panel URL link. After this, you need to do some currency related settings, your payment gateway. If you want that your customer can do online payment, then you have to do payment gateway integration from here, plus some basic order related settings from here, invoice, taxation related, receipt related settings from here. So we will take all this session in detail in your question answer session. Okay, so after doing this, now we need to configure price and product in RecNav. So this is the section from where you can do your configure your product with pricing. So here you can put your monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, annually, likewise price. And if you are means selling your product in more than one currencies, then you need to first time you need to do put the values in all the sections, and then with the help of cron daily it will get updated. Okay, so after doing this, so now your product is configured. So now your white label website is ready for your customer. So now I will show you your website. So this is your website. Okay, so from here your customer can do the place the order. So as you have seen that you have put 4 different type of currencies. Okay, so I will put one order of Office 365. So this all value comes from that package section which I just show you. So I'm placing one, means your customer is placing one order from your website. So number of Office 365 email accounts, suppose I will take 3. So you can see here it will change the price. From here you can even change the billing cycle. So right now it's 1 month, add to cart. So right now, sorry. So if that customer is new customer, then he has to sign up from this form. So right now I will do the flow with existing customer. So this is the product. So now customer is doing the payment. So right now we have not configured any online payment gateway. That's why we have 2 options. Offline payment means by check or by DD and all, or by cash, or either customer has already put some advance cash to the partner. Okay, so right now I will use this option. So now this order is provisioned at ZNet Live. Okay, but all the mails will go to client in the name of partner. Okay, so now meanwhile I will show you the customer portal. After placing the order, customer will get the thanks message and all on this screen. See, so now product is configured. So now if your customer is facing any type of issues or is having any query, so he can even raise the ticket from his member panel. So this is the your customer panel. From here your customer can even check what all services he has taken from us, what is the current status of the services, He can raise the tickets, he can see the billing, invoices, order receipts, ledger, announcements, sections, current services, current domains. So suppose now your customer is facing any issue and he wants to generate a ticket. So you need to select the service, then choose department, then choose issue type. So if still he is unable to resolve his issue, then he can generate the ticket. So now he need to put subject here. If you want to send any attachment, so he can attach from here, then he submitted the ticket. So here the good thing is that ZNet will reply this ticket on your behalf, okay, with your company branding. So this is the ticket number. Even if you want, you can also reply on this ticket. So this is your admin panel. From here you can check the tickets. See. So either if you want, you can reply from here to this customer. Otherwise, even ZNet can reply on your behalf. Okay. So so this is the process by which customer or you will interact with each other, and ZNet will act on your behalf. So next is this is the support part. Now suppose you want to manage your leads, your sales part. So for that we have very good system, that is CRM system. From here you can generate your leads. So whatever lead you are generating from here, ZNet salesperson can see your leads at ZNet admin portal. So he can do follow-up on your behalf if you want. So whatever follow-up he has taken for particular lead or potential, you can see from here. Okay. So this is all about the flow of this. Now last thing is billing section. So from here you can check what all orders is coming to you. Okay, invoices, receipts. So one thing is that if you already have credit balance with ZNet, then only that order get executed. Otherwise that order comes under pending stage. So then you have to credit or give some advance deposit to ZNet, then only that order get executed. So and one more thing, all the mails issued by this software will be white label, means your company branding is there. So that's all about this software. So if you have any questions, we will answer all your queries in question answer round. So Danish, hello.
Yeah, Harish, I can hear you. Thank you for the demonstration. I can see many questions coming out on the chat, and I've tried my best to answer all of them for you guys. Okay. Harish, I have few questions. So will it be good to like take it later in a Q&A round, or should I ask it right now for you?
As you wish, no problem.
Okay, we will take everything in a Q&A round, because let's finish on the presentation. I can many people asking the same questions. Okay, so guys, let's move to the presentation. I'm switching it to my screen now. Okay, I'm back to my screen. You have finished with the live demonstration where you have seen a ready-made website which your customers get. You have seen the sales and marketing part of it. You have seen support and CRM. You have checked on the billing and the pricing, how to set pricing and how to manage the billing. You have seen, I guess, yeah, inventory and assets. It's something like beyond the demonstration part. Okay, the customer control panel, which is again very well designed for in looking into a customer perspective. Again, the business intelligence tool. So these are the few ingredients of the software, and because the due to less time, we won't be able to show you everything around. But again, if you are interested to join on with the this, you can join the program actually. Okay, so okay guys, let's proceed further. Before starting it, I have one more poll for you guys. Okay, let's take the poll. Guys, just I'm there's a problem with the software. I'm checking it out, the screen part. Okay, I'm enabling a screen once again for you. Okay, there's like I need to click on 3 times to enable the screen view for you guys. Okay, let's take it forward. Sorry for this, guys. Okay, so this is basically a screen like I have told you about all the ingredients which the software includes. Okay, we have another poll for you guys to answer for. We'll take just 1 minute for you. I'm launching this poll on your screen now. Guys, the poll is out. You can just answer the question for us, so it will help us understand the things in a better way. Again, the question is, are you using any automation tool for selling any cloud services at present? I can see many people like selecting for a no. This means like this could be a very good tool for you guys, and you guys need to explore on it. The people, those who are using yes, I'm curious to know which tool you guys are actually using this at this point of time, because the market is new. We don't find any stable tools out there in the market, and we have been working on this tool from last 4 to 5 years now. So I guess there are last 5 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, I'm closing the poll. I'm sharing the result. Okay, this time I'll not forget to hide this for you guys. Okay, again I need to click 2 times. Okay guys, so 84% people have said no, and 16% of the people says they are using some automation tool for this. So people, those who are 84% people, those who are not using this, so I guess this could be a best opportunity for you guys to grab on. Okay, let's take you guys forward on support and other automation things which we guys actually offer you in addition to our partner program. So I guess Suchit would be the right person on this to speak around. So I just need to unmute Suchit on this case. Hi Suchit, are you there?
Yes, thanks, Anish.
Okay, Suchit, over to you now.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible. Over to you now. So I need to understand, we guys need to understand like how ZNet will actually help help the partners growing with the cloud market. Yeah, please, over to you.
Okay. Yeah, Anish, thanks. So guys, I hope that you all enjoyed the demonstration done by Mr. Harish here. I'll come straight to the point. I sincerely hope that you all have liked the demonstration and realized just now what you have witnessed. I hope everybody here is, I know most of them, I know most of the attendees here, and I know that they are all entrepreneurs and business owners and decision makers, and I know that each and every one of you guys would understand this importance of how big an important role an automation platform plays for this. Because if you want to scale, if you want to grow, a good automation platform can be your secret weapon. Coming to the point wherein I am a sales guy. I'm a hardcore sales guy, so I'll talk about in terms of how to sell or market your products. And to be very honest, मुझे जो लगता है वो ये है कि support plays the huge role here. We are not product sellers. We are not vendors who are selling tables or chairs. जो कि एक बार हमने सेल कर दिया तो वापस हमें उसके बारे में कभी कुछ बात नहीं करनी पड़ेगी या कोई इशू नहीं आएगा. And I know that every business owners dread this day wherein people come with certain issues. So the basic point here is that treat ZNet Live as an army of yours. Each and every one of you should think that they have ZNet Live as an army. We are providing a complete white label support the way you want, the way you like it. Now, you want us to produce this kind of synergy between your customer and ours. We are there for you. We are ready to give the technical expertise that we have. We have built over the 14-15 years at that time the technical expertise that we can offer, and we are offering it white label support to you guys. And now, over the phone, over emails, over tickets, you can call our customer. Your customers can actually directly reach to us from this automation platform. If there is any kind of requirements from your customer, they can actually email us. There's a fully 24/7 365 support system already designed from ZNet Live, and we are giving that particular the support system directly to you guys. There is also a customer self-service portal, which I hope that everybody would enjoy. Each and every one customer of yours will also appreciate. क्योंकि इसके अंदर क्या है कि वो अपना सब कुछ टिकट्स भी डाल सकता है, वो अपनी छोटे मोटे इश्यूज के लिए आपको डायरेक्टली नहीं परेशान करेगा और वो हमसे डायरेक्टली इंटरेक्ट करेगा. तो मेरा पॉइंट ये है कि बीइंग अ बिजनेस ओनर, ऑल यू गाइस हैव टू डू इज थिंक अबाउट इज सेल्स एंड सेल्स. सपोर्ट वाला पार्ट आगे चल के उस कस्टमर को कैसे हमें सपोर्ट देना है, ये आपकी टेंशन नहीं होनी चाहिए, एंड इसके लिए हमारा पूरा पोर्टल डिजाइन है. कमिंग टू द सेकंड पार्ट विच इज मार्केटिंग. सो चाहे कितना भी अच्छा प्रोडक्ट हो, चाहे कितने भी अच्छे सॉल्यूशंस हो, आई थिंक उसको इनिशियल पुश तो चाहिए ही चाहिए. एवरी गुड सॉल्यूशन रिक्वायर्स एन इनिशियल पुश इन द मार्केट. इसके लिए वी आर कंप्लीटली रेडी. वी आर doing everything that we can possibly do. We can give you the opportunities to ground. Now, you want us to have like joint events or something. आप चाहते हैं कि कोई joint events हो आपके customers के साथ. आप एक पूरा का पूरा marketing resource center हमने बनाया हुआ है, जिसके अंदर आपको ready-made mails मिल जाएंगे, आपको ready-made PPTs मिल जाएंगे, PDF मिल जाएंगे. एक कंप्लीट उस PPTs और PDFs में एक काफी डिटेल्ड वर्जन है. फॉर एग्जांपल आई टेक एन एग्जांपल हियर कि एक कस्टमर है, आपको उसको एक कोट भेजना है या अगर आपको उस कोट पे कोई फॉलो अप करना है. So everything would be in the PPT formats and PDF formats in the marketing resource center. And at the same time, if you require any kind of financial assistance from our end also, that can also be done. The best part is the pre-sales part. The pre-sales part, I think you should always think about us as a virtual CIO. We are a consultant for you guys. We act as a consultant for you guys. We start from what kind of architecture your customer might need, what kind of architecture your end customer might require. So आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. If you have the right projection with you guys, if you have the right kind of customer base with you guys, now all you have to do is start initiating a format or formulating a plan wherein we can create the complete architecture for you, for your end customer. We'll give you the guidance कौन सा solution we should sell to that particular customer. At the same time, let us do part also together. I do not intend everyone of you like to have a heavy lifting at your end. Give us the heavy lifting part. Let us go together in the outreaching of the market. Let us go together to all your customers and everybody, and then close it. So we are there for you. And the final thing is that you have got a whole lot of choices to start with. You have Office 365. We have a productivity-based solutions like Office 365 and Google Apps. So wherein if the customer requires to increase the work productivity or the work inflow at their end, then we have a good solution for that. If infrastructure is a solution, is a problem to the end customer, that they do not know that what kind of infrastructure that they should establish. So we have got huge solutions wherein Azure come into the picture, Amazon come into the picture. We have integrations with OnApp. So any kind of solution that an end customer requires, we can provide you from the back end. At the same time, you should start categorizing those products wherein the infrastructure एक major problem है या फिर productivity एक major problem है. Start branding your organization as a solution provider rather than a product. and at the same time try to understand what the actual customer requires. Each and every customer requirement should be different. And then no single customer would not be actually having the same kind of requirement. So don't keep on going to the end customer and saying that chalo sir dedicated server le lete hain. Let us move from that part wherein because there might be a requirement wherein which might be more fulfilled from Office 365 or from Google Apps. और probably he requires a scaling kind of a solution. उसके तो आप उसको public cloud pitch कर सकते हो, private cloud pitch कर सकते हो. So you have a whole lot of solutions that you can play around with. And being a salesperson, I think this is something which is now I also personally like it. I have too many solutions to sell. I know that my probability to close a particular sales increases like by 1,000 times because I can actually pitch multiple kind of solutions to the customer. So this is one of the very good things that we have. We have a plethora of solutions that you can choose from, and you do not have to push to the customer that okay, choose Microsoft or choose Amazon. We are a neutral player for everything, and we are providing all kind of services depending on the customer requirement. The final part is that the customer should be satisfied. The customer should have a solution-oriented infrastructure.
Okay, thank you, Suchit. I have like a few questions in mind. I guess like we all of our attendees was also supposed to answer this question. So when you talk about these products like Amazon Web Services or Windows Azure, Office 365 or Google Apps, these are again a products. But when you say a statement sell solutions, not a product, what type of support? मतलब आप exactly में क्या support pass करेंगे? Support के साथ क्या values pass करेंगे अपने partners को? Can you elaborate more on it?
The first, Danish, the major part is that nowadays, of course, Office 365 for Google Apps are an individual products, but the major part is to provide a solution by bundling everything. So सिर्फ एक कस्टमर सिर्फ अपना मेल सॉल्यूशन ही नहीं चलाता, वो वहाँ पे अपने एप्लीकेशंस को भी चलाता है, अपने सॉफ्टवेयर्स को भी चलाता है. So the best part is the bundling part. And take any example, take any SME example or a mid-level segment market also. Nowadays, every organization is having 50, 70 to 100 employees. Solution which can increase the productivity of the manpower. Security अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ा issue है. So the best part is that when I'm saying that start pitching by solution, then start pitching by a solution not as an individual product. And what we can help here is we can create an architecture for them.
I see. Okay,
we can create a solution architect from them, and we have experts here, and we can, for example, if I talk about any industry, so this is what we can provide right now.
Okay, guys. Thank you, Suchit. We are getting many calls on it, like talk in English, so we'll preferably now talk in English. And to be very honest, we guys are very confused on this decision. Should we take this webinar in English or in Hindi? So next time we'll try to create a poll for you before starting a webinar. Okay, so that will be the best option. Okay, guys, let's move forward. Okay, and take the presentation ahead, and we are now on to Q&A round. For any further queries and anything else you want to question it, you can just start typing your questions. We'll take it one by one. Positively, we won't be able to take all the questions in one go, but we'll try our best to do all those questions, right? So, okay, I'm heading towards the question tab now. Okay, guys, thanks, Sunny, for showing. Okay, I'm just checking on with the questions. Okay, I can see Mohammed Yusuf is asking how we can sell Google Apps and Office. So Mohammed, basically selling both the Google Apps and Office 365 comes with our partner program. So you'll be able to sell all those products which we are selling and which we are talking about right now. Okay, why not? I can see Sterling Softwares. Concerned person from this company is asking why not Amazon directly? Why with ZNet and and any benefits? Sure. Basically, when you go with an Amazon, they don't provide any sort of support. Okay, these are basically a product-based company. Those who are selling an infrastructure with some layer of automation on it. But when you go to a real customer, so basically the customer has a problem in it where they want a solution to that problem. So it's always recommended to go with the partner, and even Amazon prefer to go with the partner. because partner have already one established relationship with the customers actually. Okay, so
Management services, basically management.
of course, the management services. Okay, can I have Casey Jagdeep is asking, can just a sec, can use the plus one partner program from now? Is that ready to use? Yes, Casey, Jagdeep, this program is ready for you guys, and you can contact the details mentioned on our screen to further check on these, how to sign up actually. Very much new to this cloud product selling. Are there any targets? Right, of course you can work on with the targets as well. Any support would be calling you us. See, Yashwant. Okay, Yashwant, basically we will provide you all sort of support possible from our side, starting from the technical side, support side, or from the sales or the marketing point of view. Okay, we'll try to cover all those things for you, but basically you need to add some real values to it so that we can monetize some time and money on you guys. Okay, we have a question from Dinesh, who is asking, can we link it to our website to raise the sales? So I'll pass this question to Harish. Harish, can we link the products to the customer's website to increase the sales?
Customer, basically we are already providing white label website now.
Okay, so
If you still they want,
Mhm.
if still they want, that can be possible.
Okay, makes sense. Okay, makes sense.
That can be possible.
So
No issue.
Dinesh, in nutshell, yes, this is possible to link the products to your website. Okay, we have Ravindra who is asking, what is the profit margin for this program? So Suchit, over to you. What sort of profit you are going to pass to your partners actually? Can you brief it out, because this question is asked like 4 times earlier as well.
Yes.
What I can promise is that as we are talking about solutions and everything, so there are like various possibilities that we can explore. But yes, I'll give you the slabs are here in the like the initial slabs has been already been mentioned on the website, and as you can see that we are selling like a huge kind of solution. So there are like multiple options that we can can be created from this. But I can assure you that the margins are good here, and we can discuss on that part also. You can actually give me a direct call on that if there is anything here.
Okay. So we have next question from Pawan Bhatija. He's asking, my customer asked, what is Amazon Web Services, Azure, Microsoft Cloud? So again, this is a very common question even we guys face actually, Pawan. So people really don't know about the cloud services in the market, but the point here is they want to grow the network, they want to grow with their business. Okay, but and to grow with their business they have to move towards a cloud. So it's your responsibility to educate your customers on the cloud services so that they make a wise decision on moving towards a cloud. See, the complete IT industry is moving towards a cloud. So again, if any of your business don't admits to move towards a cloud right now, so again this would be a bad part. The reason being, at the end they have to move towards the cloud market actually. Okay, so I will summarize it. It's not obvious like you need to convince an IT customer only. Any customer across the any industry, okay, he can move towards a cloud. Okay, we have customer my customer. Okay, we have our own website, so we want an admin and a member panel on that, and currently we are using WHMCS. So how can we add your products on it? Over to you, Harish.
Yeah. Actually, you can do this with the help of RackNap API.
Okay, so Mohammed, we have a RackNap API available. RackNap would be a very weird word for you guys at this point of time. The complete software we have named it as RackNap. Okay, so we do sell the complete solution of this product as a product separately on our website racknap.com. So again, it's we charge very heavy dollars on it. Okay, to our customers to use this bunch of software. Okay, but we are offering this free for to all our customers and partners right now.
Partners.
what minimum deposit required to join? So over to you, Suchit. I guess there's no deposit, but again, Suchit, what sort of commitment do you need from the partners? Please go ahead.
Uh, okay, so there is like all I need from you is a projection. There is no there is no joining cost. And let's have a projection on table. Let us start working together. And we are not charging any kind of fees for this. All I want from you is to devote like some time with me, tolerate me, and give me a projection so that we can work together.
Okay, so next Kader is there. He's asking, is there any targets? Of course not. We don't have hard targets for you, but there will be a soft targets. Again, the sales and the Suchit's team will be working along with you, okay, and marching with you across the sales point of view. May I know about the commissions? Again, the commission question has been answered now. Sir, any legal documents is required for the partnership? Ranjit is asking. There's no legal documentation as such, but we do ask our partners to fill a KYC form. Okay, so KYC form is know your customers. So we need to know our partners better so that we can serve them in for the later. Okay, next question is when I'm trying to join, it shows email is already registered by what I'm logging into my ZNet Live account to join now. Option is not coming. So over to you, Harish. The question is Ali Akbar is asking when
Yeah,
trying to join.
actually, this happened. Yeah, it's because I think he's already our existing customer.
Okay.
So he just need to join member this +1 program from his customer portal.
I see. Okay, so is there any option available on the customer portal to join
Yes,
this?
option. Yes. Member panel having that option.
Okay, can you guide like where they can sign up or they need to coordinate?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
No, in this case, can you
Yeah.
can you make me presenter? I will show you the screen.
Okay, fine, makes sense. Okay, I'm heading towards now. You are an organizer. We okay. We are able to see your screen now.
So your customer will sorry, you will get a option beside this my billing. So basically this is the customer portal for your customer.
Okay.
The same customer panel is
okay. I can see like that customer portal is not opened yet. Okay, that makes sense. That's fair enough.
Yes.
Okay, I'm taking a screen control over back
So,
to me. Okay, guys. So basically, you can sign up within your member panel with an option available just next to my support. Okay. Okay. Next is there any restriction a minimum balance with money? No, there is Sunil. There is no restriction for this. Will you provide a payment gateway to support the partner program? Basically, see, it's not ethical to provide a payment gateway which we are using, but again you guys need to get a payment gateway which is again comes with a very zero setup fee, okay, or a very less setup fee. You can go with any payment gateway which we are using here in India or an international payment gateway. Okay, so if we don't have an existing payment gateway, we can work around to get you that payment gateway done as well. Okay, the next question is from Prasad Rajendra. Currently we sell all pricing in zero. Can we have one more column showing default price of product? So I am unable to understand this question well. Prasad, I am trying to unmute you. Okay, so okay, I can see Prasad. Okay. I can see he is left, right. Okay, I can see Prasad is over here. Okay, Prasad, I have unmuted you. Can you just, if you have a microphone available, can you just speak out your question?
Yeah, Danish, hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you. Please go ahead.
Great. Okay, currently when we are logging into the backend of this OnePlus program,
okay,
we see the prices, everything they're doing is zero for domains and everything, right?
Okay.
So can we have a column showing what is the default price of that particular product? For example, in TrustMe, you people have that default price of a domain.
Right.
Is a cost that you can go for. Those kind of things I was asking that.
I see, I see. Okay, I'm unmuting you and answer your question. I got your question actually. So Prasad, basically in this case, the pricing which is shown default by 0, that is basically a default pricing. You have to change those pricing to sell it to your customers. Okay, the price you want to sell it to your customers. By default, we give this pricing as a 0. The reason being, while the pricing is 0, your customer will not be able to place an order for that product. Okay, so again, I guess that's not a bigger challenge for you because you need to set up do some preliminary setup task for setting up this program. Okay, I hope I've answered this question for you. Okay, are there any cost benefit by selling these products from the site instead of purchasing from direct vendor? Anshuman, there is a huge opportunity for you to sell on the cloud. And again, I've told you, like, the partner network is the best network to sell any services because partner have their existing competences and people work accordingly in the market. So I guess working with the partner is something good. Okay, I've already signed up. Next question is from Sandeep Chaudhary. He says, I have already signed up, but I have not received any login information. My registered email ID is this. So again, Sandeep, we have a screening after the signing up of a partner program because we don't allow each and everyone just to come and sign up and go away because we need a manual intervention over here from a tech team and our pre-sales team to work around it. Okay, so positively you'll get a reply within 24 hours where one of our representative will call you and ask few details about you and then approve your request on this. Again, Mohammed comes back. No, we don't want to add one or more domain name for sale. Okay, it's your wish. Okay. Hi, I missed out on the first part of the webinar. Please make sure to send me the mail. Guys, I can see like many people are asking like, will we be able to get the presentation or this recording for this webinar? Yes, of course, we guys are going to shoot you an email later coming Monday after a weekend. Okay, and in that mail you'll get a video recording which will be uploading to our YouTube channel. You can also check onto our previous webinar onto our YouTube channel. Okay, any special website is there for more information detail for each and every aspects involved? Also documentation type, any soft copy if available? Yeah. Yashwant, we do have a soft copy available for how to use this tool. Okay, so which is again on the RACNAP only, RACNAP website, because again it's a separate tool for us now. So that documentation will help you set up everything in case, and for any sort of help you need, you can directly contact to Suchit or Dakshesh. The number and the details are mentioned directly on the screen, which you guys can see. Okay, so like just few more questions to go. The URL of your white label website is very okay complex. You want to write it okay, can you yeah Mr. Das, basically you will be able to change the URL, okay, of your website. This is a dummy demonstration which we were giving. Okay, you will be able to change the URL for this actually. Okay, but again over to Harish who can help us out how to change the URL actually. Harish?
Yeah. Yes, you can use any domain name.
Okay.
That can be possible.
Okay, we can use any domain name. For an example, I have a company on the name of abc.com. Can I keep cloud.abc.com
Yes.
or I need to buy an abccloud.com?
No, he can use with abc.com/admin.
No, okay, makes sense. So I guess we can use with both the domain names, either with the subdomain or with the first.
Yes, yes.
Okay, makes sense, makes sense. Okay, next is Vivek. Okay, guys, we'll take just few more questions. Okay, and we'll close on it. I'm searching for some good questions for you guys. Okay, from where I can how will receive a commission again, Anshuman, you can receive this commission directly into your control panel, where you'll be able to see, and you'll directly get commission directly into your bank account. Okay, what is your YouTube channel, guys? Dhruv will be sending you the link for our YouTube channel. I don't remember it by heart. Okay. Dev Prakash asks, do you also give some authorization letter for a partner showing your relationship with him? Yeah, we do. Dev Prakash Sharma, you can see the authorization which we have got from different vendors from Microsoft. We are Microsoft Gold Hosting Partner, Gold Cloud Productivity Partner, Gold Mid-Market Solution Provider, Gold Data Center Partner, Silver Messaging Partner. We are Amazon Partner. We are Microsoft Cloud OS Network Partner. We are Microsoft SLA approved partner, SPLA approved partner. So again, we are having a different competences, and of course, if you want any sort of letter from our side being a partner, we will be more than happy to give to you guys as well. Okay, we have a next question from Binny Thomas. Only help with reselling or giving help in hosting for customers? Binny, we are going to help you thoroughly for each and everything you want. If you have a zeal to sell the cloud, we are going to help, as Suchit has told us earlier in the presentation. Again, Suchit, over to you. Can you just brief it again, like what support we are going to give?
Yeah, first of all, good to see you, Vinny. And yes, we are having in talks. So the support part is thorough. The support part is thorough, starting from the consultation to the end customer queries and everything. Now we are now any kind of support after sales is also something which we are taking directly into our stride. At the same time, if there is any kind of like starting from the point wherein the requirements are coming to the picture, that what kind of requirements an end customer requires. So the posting part also is covered there, cloud is also there. So there's not going to be a problem.
Okay, Suchit, makes sense. So I guess we are running out of time now. So we need to close the presentation and meet you with the next series of webinar. So guys, we have one survey question for you after closing this webinar. So we want you guys to fill that survey question for us as well. So we can plan the next webinar accordingly for you guys. Thank you for joining the webinar. Stay tuned for the next upcoming webinars. Thank you guys. Thank you, Harish. Thank you, Suchit.